Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view your Facebook profile as if you're viewing it from someone else's account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook account and select the three-dotted icon at the far right here. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select where it says View As. And then at this point, you can select the different view as option. Currently, we have it set as public, but if you select exit view as, if you had friends on your Facebook profile, you'd be able to select view as a friend or someone else as a drop down here. I don't have any friends on here, so that's why it's not giving me that option. But you guys get the point. Pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.